Hi, my name is Jacob Pavlich, Assistant Service Manager here at Russ Darrow Kia Waukesha. We're proud to roll out the Kia Full Synthetic Oil Change Program. We are now offering full synthetic oil changes for our everyday oil changes, best deal in town at $44.95. That is a big discount from the standard $59.95 and only $5 more than the standard oil changes. Now you get a lot of benefits from using a full synthetic oil. You get better high temperature resistance in the summer, and you get better low temperature resistance in the winter. Helps the vehicle run smoothly in both hot and cold temperatures. The other thing it does is it keeps debris and suspension longer inside the engine, which causes less wear for the engine, keeps the sludge off the sidewalls, and ultimately keeps a cleaner interior of the engine. The oil life does last longer because it reduces the amount of breakdown due to these factors, which means your oil changes will last longer and be less frequent. Now, again, we are offering this here at Russ Darrow Kia for the $44.95. We're the first ones to roll this out in that area, and it'll be great for your vehicle. If you do have any questions about the program, feel free to give us a call. We're 262-547-1300. Be glad to answer any questions you may have or set up an appointment for you at your convenience. Thank you very much for your time, and I hope you're safe this winter.